of ladder? A small room. Okay. Yes, your first passage. I repeat again. The Todd Model Community in the West Yorkshire, UK has a mission to transform every wasteland. I hope you all are understood these lines. Translation is very easy. Todd Model Community in the West Yorkshire, UK has a mission to transform every wasteland in a communal ladder. They have उन्होंने मैनेज किए थे 200 trees orchard in the center of the town. Their symmetry. What is the meaning of symmetry here? Symmetry meaning great jar. Okay. To every resident, there has the right to harvest the public produce for free. Their school, park, public ground and park, its extra are full of vegetables. They hope to become self-sufficient in fruit and vegetables stocked by the 2018. Okay. First of all, your topic is today's preserving nature. How we should save our environment and how we should save our nature. Okay. The first topic is go green. We should first of all we do go green. What is the meaning of go green? Here I explain. We should save our environment by growing more and more trees and save water. Okay, we should save our nature. We should save our environment. Okay, to conserve and protect nature, resource for future generation and to protect human health through the environment. Why we should save our earth? For new generation, for future. Okay. First is, what is the meaning of green? Generate less waste. G means generate less waste. Recycling everything that cannot be rescued. Is it clear? I explain the topic for green. Green means G. First of all, G means generate less waste. Recycling everything. Okay. All the students understood about the recycling. Okay. Next is E. Educate the community on eco-friendly options. Okay. Next is E. Evaluate the environment impact of action. Is it clear? Generate less waste, use the wasted things, and recycling everything that cannot be rescued. Educate the community on eco-friendly options. Evaluate the environment impact of action. Okay. Yes. Okay. Nuanced discussion and activities that integrate environment education into existing curriculum. It's very important involved in the curriculum, education curriculum. Okay. I hope you all are understood about the first topic, go green. Their school, park, public grounds and park, etc. are full of vegetables. Okay. The first aim of the you read a chapter, go green. All the here and there and school grounds full of vegetables and trees. They hope become self-sufficient in fruit and vegetables stocked by 2018. Every person satisfied for food and vegetables. All the forest and trees, more and more grow trees. Okay. First, how we should save our nature. Okay. Second passage, save gibbons. Okay. Second passage, save gibbons. First of all, you know what is gibbon? You know types of monkeys and apes. Okay. First of all from hunting. Okay, I already read this. Where Gibbon's hometown? No one know. Okay, Gibbon's hunting for traditional medicines and the fur trade. Okay, Gibbon's hometown disappeared. All the students know meaning of disappear. I hope you all are understood about the meaning of disappear. Okay, their three-step program helps to be prepared for natural life in their natural habitat. Okay, let us start. Next line. Rehabilitation project GRP aim at ensuring that the bystander gibbons don't become an extinct. Extinct means disappear. Its also meaning is disappear. Disappear means alone. Okay, finished. Okay. Third, species. Species kinds of varieties. Okay, in Thailand, people capture gibbons to be used as pets, but they don't take care of them for a longer period. Is it clear? Most people visit Phuket, Thailand to enjoy the beautiful beach. Okay, but no one thinks gibbons or apes Phuket is their hometown. No one knows. Okay, in Phuket, the gibbons rehabilitation project aims at ensuring that the bystander gibbons don't become an extinct, disappear in a Thailand. Okay, often people capture all the students hold. Okay, catch. Okay, catch. It's same means capture. Given to be used as a pet. All the students know a pet. We keep dog in our home. We keep cow in our home as a pet dog, as a pet cow. The same way, the people capture the gibbons, but don't care a long period. Okay. Next is, but they don't care of them for a longer period. GRP. Okay. Up next, look at the GRP. GRP is take care gibbons and look after them until they become skilled to live in the rainforest again. Okay. The GRP aims to look after the gibbons. Okay. Their three-step program helps them to be prepared for natural life in their natural habitat. Okay. Yes. Yes. Prepared for natural life in their natural habitat. Gibbons stay in the project ground. They are released on a small island when they are released in the rainforest, but still monitored by the project staff. Monitored. What is the meaning of monitored? Watch or check. Okay. As there is no sense in releasing them back in the forest, where they have to face poachers. We should stop the poaching. Okay. What is the meaning of poaching? शिकार करना. Okay. Poachers here. Here poachers means a person hunting animals. Okay. Illegally. What is the meaning of poachers? A person hunting the animals illegally. Is it clear? Okay. Next one is as there is no sense in releasing them back in the forest where they have to face the poachers. Therefore, the project staff, workers or community education and try to convince the government to stop poaching. Okay. First of all, you read first topic how we save our nature. First is Gogi. Second, save gibbons. Conserving of water is important because it keeps water purification. We should need to save water. Okay? How we should save our water? First of all, the question: how we save water? Firstly, build small dams to collect rainwater. Okay? Firstly, build small dams to collect rainwater. If we build small dams to collect rainwater, if we build small dams in every area, we will get large quantity of fresh water. Is it clear? Third one is area. We will get large quantity of fresh water. We should need to grow more and more trees because roots of plants can hold the water more tightly and by increasing number of plants. Is it clear? Third passage, conserving of water is the most important. Okay, we should need to save water, save our nature. How we save water? We build a small dams to collect the water. Okay, we should need to grow more and more trees, plants, because roots of plants can hold the water more tightly and by increasing number of plants. Is it clear? Yes. Look at the next slide. Yes. First of all, I explain what is the meaning of monitoring. Monitoring and maintenance. We need to monitor and maintain every single. Okay, its meaning is watch or check. Maintains, look. Okay, point where we can save the water for our future. Okay. Yes, reservoirs. What is the meaning of reservoir? An artificial lake to store water. What is the meaning of reservoirs? An artificial lake to store water. Water table. What is the meaning of water table? The water level underground. The meaning of water level? Water table, the water level underground. Okay, pouches. I already told you about the pouches. A person hunting animal bits illegally. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. I read again a third passage. Residents of the village of Limbadia in western Gujarat, India has a built small dam on local rivers allowing monsoon runoff to sleep into the underground reservoirs. As we all know that water tables across India are falling fast, our crops have been threatened. All the students know the meaning of threatened, attack, dangerous. Government also helping rainwater harvesting, but steps are taken on individual basis. Therefore, Limbadia's well have started leaking at the surface and the long dried streams have reappeared. Okay? I hope you all understood the three passages today's chapter. I will continue next topic, say petrol, alcohol in our next lecture. I hope you all are understood. Yes.